Everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to quickly log into your Vigo Live account so you can start streaming or watching live shows right away. First, open the Vigo Live app on your phone. Now on the home screen, you will see multiple options to sign in with. Tap More at the bottom to view few more options. You can log in using the same method you used while signing up. For example, phone number, Google, Facebook, Apple ID, Twitter, anything. So I signed up using my Google account. So let me tap sign in with Google. If you choose phone number, enter your number and password or request a verification code. If you choose Google or Facebook, just allow access. Once verified, you will be logged into your Vigo Live account. Now you can watch streams, follow creators, or start your own live show. And that's it. You have successfully logged into your Vigo Live account. If this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.